motorhome is powered by an internal leisure battery, controlled by the panel found above the main entrance door. The button in the bottom right turns the electrical power to the motorhome on and off. The button on the left-hand side, one up from the bottom, turns the main lighting supply on and off. The button in the bottom left is for your water pump, which works the taps and the toilet flush. Ensure that these three buttons are on to operate everything in your motorhome. The top left button turns on your outside light, and just below that is the light dimming button. Press this to turn the dimmed lighting on or off. Use the select button on the right hand side to adjust the dimmer level. From the control panel you can also view your battery and water levels. The freshwater level is on the left of the display and your wastewater on the right. The leisure battery level is shown on the option bar along the bottom of the display. It will say either good, fair or low depending on the amount of power left in the battery. When it is low, you will need to think about recharging it. Note that the leisure battery will not power 3-pin plug sockets. In order for the 3-pin plug sockets to work, you will need to be connected to mains power via electric hookup or a 2 kilowatt generator. Once connected, a little flash symbol will appear next to the clock at the top of the display.